Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do your Toyota connected services. You're gonna go ahead to your app store on the Apple phone and you're gonna go ahead and search for the Toyota app. So you're gonna type in Toyota and you're gonna look for the Toyota Connect to your Toyota. You're gonna get that one. Everybody's different. We're gonna double click on here. And it's gonna go ahead and download your Toyota Connected Service app. Now it's very simple. Once this is downloaded, it's gonna give you access to your vehicle history, your maintenance. You can set up your vehicle appointments. You can set up oil changes. You can do basically everything in your car. It's gonna actually give you an insight of your whole vehicle.
If you happen to be in the store, you can check out one of our banners and download the Toyota app from the QR code. Also, if you stay tuned to the end of this video, you'll see the QR code and you can screenshot that and access the app from there.